Apple, Nvidia, and TSMC are considered the undeniable kings of the modern tech world. Together, they control trillions of dollars and power everything from your smartphone to advanced AI models. But here's the crazy part. None of these tech giants can operate without a single company tucked away in a quiet town in the Netherlands. Meet ASML, the only company on Earth capable of building the world's most critical machine. ASML has a technological monopoly on equipment that is vital for manufacturing advanced logic chips. Without ASML's machines, there would be no artificial intelligence boom, and we wouldn't even have the chips that power our smartphones. Think of TSMC as the master baker, printing billions of microscopic transistors onto silicon wafers. But ASML is the company that builds the oven. Without ASML's extreme ultraviolet, or EUV, lithography technology, manufacturing chips with structures less than 7 nanometers is practically impossible. And ASML's market share in EUV technology isn't 60% or 80%. It is a full 100%. They're the only company that has been able to build this specific equipment. To understand how insane this machine is, picture this. It shoots 50,000 droplets of molten tin per second with a high-power laser, striking it twice per droplet. This generates extreme ultraviolet light, focused by the flattest mirrors ever created, supplied exclusively by Carl Zeiss in Germany. ASML's latest cutting-edge High-NA EUV lithography systems cost around $380 million to $400 million each. The installation process is just as mind-blowing. A single High-NA system weighs 150,000 kilograms and requires 250 crates, 250 engineers, and 6 months to completely install. Because this single machine holds the key to modern warfare, 5G technology, and artificial intelligence. ASML is right at the center of a geopolitical Cold War. As the semiconductor sector aggressively pushes for smaller and more effective chips, whoever controls these machines controls the future. Under massive pressure from the US government, ASML was blocked from selling its most advanced EUV machines to China. This export ban is designed to freeze China's tech sector, leaving them years behind in the global chip race. In the grand scheme of technology and geopolitics, the companies that design software get the headlines, but the invisible hardware infrastructure controls the future. ASML didn't just build a successful company. They built a bottleneck that holds the entire digital economy together. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the economics of technology, power, and global markets, subscribe to AlgoEconomics, where we break down the hidden forces and business logic behind the world's most important companies. Because in the modern economy, understanding the system is the ultimate advantage. To see how TSMC turns these massive machines into global dominance, click the video on screen right now.